French and I went for I was going on the trail, and there was just a black bear right in the middle.
That's crazy.
Yeah, there was a sign that said bear caution, there's bears on the trail, and I'm like, imagine we see a bear.
Sure
and
enough,
then
there's one
5
there.
minutes in, there's a big black bear right there.
They just run away, right?
He just sat there, and
Just
I
sat
was
there.
like,
We're gonna go straight at the lights here from the rightmost side of the road. There's road marking, which is quite evident. There we go. So when you're in the winter, let's say, you can't see the road markings or the laneways. When you're lining your car up, you just line it up straight ahead there, so it's lined up.
the road's okay, yeah.
You passed my water bottle challenge. And what we're doing, where we're going, we're just going to do a steering exercise next.
That was going by fast.
That's what it looks like if they're going through a red light too. They're not slowing down. So what I do is I keep an eye on this traffic light, that traffic light, whichever one I can see. There's nobody around, but if there was traffic, then I'm just observing the speed of the traffic. When the light turns yellow, what I want to see is them slowing down.
Yeah.
My dad would get out and go push the walk button or something.
My brother gets me to do that.
Yeah, or he'd get me to go and push the button there. But Dad, I'm only 6 years old. You shut up, you go push the button.
Yeah.
Of course, that was in the 70s when parents weren't quite as conscientious about safety back then.
That's a long light.
Yeah. Some people would roll forward thinking there's a sensor.
Yeah. Is that a thing?
No.
Oh my god, this whole time.
Yeah, it's not a thing. Definitely wouldn't want to do that on a road test, that's for sure.
So many people that I go in the car with, they're like, oh, let me just move forward so I'm on the sensor.
Yeah, and they move forward, and coincidentally...
Yeah, it happens. That's why I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
I didn't know that was a thing.
Mm-hmm. No, it's timers. I timed the lights there. Some of the lights, they feel more like 5 minutes long, but really, time is relative when you're in the car.
Mm-hmm.
And the red lights seem longer the more of a rush you're in.
Yeah, that's true. When you're late somewhere, the red lights are long.
Yeah, especially this one here, I find it's